You were caught driving without insurance. Your car has been impounded. Quite naturally, you want it back as quickly and cheaply as possible. However, before you drive it out of the pound, it must be street legal. The biggest hurdle, probably insurance, because even if you have an existing policy, it may well say in the small print something like, well, this policy cannot be used for the release of an impounded vehicle, something like that. So in this video, I'll show you how to get the right kind of cover, and just as importantly, how to avoid wasting your money on the wrong type. You need a policy that specifically covers an impounded car. So don't get one of the usual 1 to 28 day policies. It will be a waste of money and the staff at the pound simply won't accept it. And don't waste your time going to a price comparison site either. They just don't deal with this type of situation at all. Now, there are specialist policies that will be accepted, and you can buy these to cover you for a year. But there's also the option of buying one that lasts 30 days, which is the minimum the law will allow for this type of insurance. You will almost certainly find that this is the cheapest way, because once it expires, you're free to search around and compare prices in the usual way. So, how do you buy this insurance? A small number of insurers offer impounded car insurance that you can buy online, but there are also specialist insurance providers that you can ring up, and they will search their contacts to look for the best policy for you. The advantage here is that they can offer really useful advice on how to get your car back, and not least of all, they can make sure that you get the right policy and don't waste your money on one that won't get your car back. Now, if you go to impoundedcar.co.uk, you'll have both options. You can get an online quote 24 hours a day, but you can also call a specialist, fully authorised insurance provider, who you can then ask to not only look for the best policy for you, but also help you through the process. The important thing is to act quickly. If you leave it too late, there is the real risk that your car will be confiscated and either sold at auction or converted into scrap metal. Either way, you would get nothing back for it. So go to impoundedcar.co.uk right now and get that vital policy. It's worth repeating. Do it now.